Hi everyone, just wanted to catch up with all of you, and I'm just waiting for more people to join. Hi, hi my learning staff. Hi Umesh. Hi Auntie, how are you? Hi Hetri. Hi Harshit. Hi Rohit. Hello, enhance your skills. Hello. Hi Sohil. Hi Ajay. Hi Zayan. So how's everyone doing? Hello Auntie, how are you? Thank you Rohit. Same here, good to meet all of you. Hi Karan. So, how's everyone doing? Is it raining in your city or in your town? Tell me, because here in Mumbai we are enjoying great rains from last couple of days. Today it's a little less, but the weather is really nice. It's cloudy and it's a lot of fun. So, am I audible to you clearly? Are you able to hear me clearly? I hope you're able to hear me clearly. Am I audible clearly? Hi Ria. Hi Ashok. Hi Piyush. Hello Ria. How are your studies going on? Uh, so Rohit, which part of India are you जहाँ पर गर्मी है? I'm curious to know because यहाँ पर तो it's really very cool. Hi Manu. यहाँ तो बादल ही नहीं बनते. ऐसे कौन सी सिटी में शहर में रहते हो आप बताओ? Hello Rohit. Hi Ashok. Hi Khan. So Khan, I still don't know your name, dear. What's your name, my dear? I always call you. Is it Kanak or something? Kanak or Khanak? It's like KHNNH. Looks like a short form. You're from Karnataka, okay. So which city is everyone else from, and how's the weather over there? How's the new version of lockdown going on, where we have some relaxation? Okay, you are in Chhattisgarh. Great. So I think it's hot in Chhattisgarh now. School open. हो जाए. Oh, Ria is getting bored at home. She wants the school to start fast. Yeah, I can understand. This is the feeling I got when lockdown started and I could not go to class. So actually I have two classes. One is close to my house where I can just walk, and another is in the east side. I stay in the west side, and I used to travel 1 hour every day, and it was nice to travel. It was refreshing because early in the morning I used to travel, and now I'm also missing going to classes, but it's good to do online classes also. Nice experience meeting more people through online. पढ़ाई की चिंता. Yes, Ria is very concerned about studies. Wow. Youngistan India is rocking. So Youngistan India is talented, right? Like they study, they play, and they enjoy, and they also spend time with parents, and they are so multitasking. Easy LTS. Hi, hello, hi. So guys, thank you for joining. I know this was not informed to you. It was a surprise. I just suddenly thought of talking to you. And the thing is that I am coming live today at 6 o'clock. I have a special guest for you. So in case you are someone who would like to learn more about how to grow your Instagram, how to have more followers, or more people appreciate your work, or whatever you put on your page, if you want to know more about how you can reach more people through your Instagram, then I have a special guest for you. I have put the details already in the story also. पबजी खेलते हैं क्लास में. हाँ, तो वो स्टूडेंट ही क्या जो खेले नहीं है. इतना सीरियस स्टूडेंट भी होके क्या मतलब है. सो Okay, thank you, Ajay Shah 6. I'm from Saharanpur, UP. You're from Saharanpur, UP. Wow, that's great. One of my friends is from Saharanpur also. I want to tell you that you're curious to listen to my voice. Thank you. Miss, I don't know where you're from. I am from Mumbai, Maharashtra, and you like my way of teaching. Thank you for that. Do attend all my live sessions. And I am unable to check because there are so many messages every day. Sorry for that, but I promise to reply you through comments. So if you have any questions, queries, doubts, you can put in comments and I will reply to you. देश खतरे में है. नहीं नहीं, इंडिया में हम लोग सब बहुत ही मल्टीटास्किंग है, तो हम सब कुछ कर लेते हैं. वी ऑलवेज मैनेज. इन द एंड सब कुछ हो जाता है. मूवीज़ भी देख लेते हैं, घूम भी लेते हैं, पढ़ाई भी हो जाती है और खेलना भी हो ही जाता है. I want to improve communication. Great. So like I was saying earlier, hi Vivek. So like I was saying earlier, I'm having a special guest today at 6 o'clock, and you will definitely get to learn. And I'll be logging in a bit earlier, like few minutes before I invite him, so that I can catch up with you all, I can talk to you all. And also once I'm done speaking to him, discussing about Instagram and how much is communication skills important, English communication important to grow your Instagram, or it could be in any other social media platform. How does English help a person to maintain his impression and confidence? So yes, thank you Rohit. Hi Shabi 4441. Yes Umesh, what is your request? Hi Karan. Okay, to and also the difference between to and also I will try to cover that through a video. To and also, yes, I'll make a note of it. Thank you for your suggestion and request, and I'll try to cover it. Hi Amit, how's the weather in Chandigarh? Hi Hema. Hello Manjeet. Okay, so that's what I was telling you, that be there on time by 5:30, 5:45, and I'll be there actually by 5:45 sharp on live. Then we'll talk to Rohit. We'll know some interesting things, because let's say tomorrow you want to start some kind of business, or you are a freelancer, you specialize in something, and you want to put up your stuff on the page, and you want more and more people to know about it, to like it, then I think it's very, very helpful. It's good to know this kind of stuff, right? So it's always good to learn new things and learn new stuff. Umesh, what is your question? I didn't get you. Ma'am, could you change the timings? Okay, so Umesh, I've already scheduled the meeting with Rohit, the live session. Okay, so apologize for that. Will not be able to change the time, but I'll invite him next time. I'll try to invite him next time if it's possible. Again, you can attend the session, or else you can just join next time, some other time. So the thing is that I have been invited last week by two. So there was one coach from London. There is a coach from London actually, Claire London. She invited me last week. She took my interview, and it was a great experience. She was curious to know how I teach, how I help people, how I help you all through my videos and training, and also in my training, day-to-day training activities, how I help people. So it was a great experience chatting with her. It was nice to see Indians are rocking, and Indians are great English speakers any part of the world. So be proud about it. I'm very proud about it. Me as a trainer not, definitely I'm very proud about it. So, and it was a great experience. And prior to that, I was invited by another trainer from Pune, Diksha, and she also took my interview. She asked me questions. Her followers asked me a lot of questions, and I have shared. So today is the first time that I am inviting someone, okay, as a guest. So new thing for me, because till now I have been invited as guest, and today I have a guest. So it's always nice to meet new people, know about their work, and interact with people. Westerner Ruditus, thank you. I had been trying to participate in the live for some of the last. Now I am here. You are inspiring. Thank you. Thanks a lot. If you're following me, great. If you're not, then start following me and watch all my videos. Send me your comments. Like, do practice and let me know how's the practice going on. Like, it's important to know that when you start practicing, how does it work. So there might be some blocks, there might be some success, there might be some failure. You can tell me in comments what all practice you have done till now. And by the way, how did you find my new video? How did you like my new video of today? I have spoken about what. Check out my new video. So guys, if you liked my new video today, I have told you how to form questions on what. So if you liked the video, do type yes if you liked it. Also tell how to engage with foreign people. I can understand and speak but don't know. So do attend my session. I will share this with you. Alright. So any other questions for me? So we are meeting today at 5:45 sharp. We will talk to each other. First, you can ask me any questions if you have, and post that we will be inviting the guest. Okay. So catch you later. Take care. Bye bye.